EQ Bank finally supports TFSA and RRSP? This is what we've been waiting for. So for any one of you who doesn't know who or what EQ Bank is an online Canadian bank that offers personal banking services. That means that EQ Bank does not have any physical locations. Not only that, they don't even provide you with credit cards, debit cards, and or checks to its customers. That being said, EQ Bank is an absolutely legitimate bank. In fact, they are listed on the stock market with the ticker symbol EQB. Now, being an online bank obviously has less overhead cost. As a result, you're able to bank for free. Unlike the big 5 banks in Canada, however, they usually charge you a fee, and if they don't, they force you to put a large sum of money inside their checking accounts, which is essentially charging you a fee since you can't make interest from the money you put into your checking account. Now, I think that that's a small detail that a lot of people miss. Now, by putting money inside a checking account, you're essentially losing money due to inflation, since most checking accounts don't generate you any interest. With less overhead cost, most online banks not only give you free banking, but they also give you higher interest rates as well. EQ Bank actually takes this one step further. They don't even have a checking account. In fact, you can't even withdraw money from an ATM. This strategy actually reduces the overhead cost for EQ Bank even more, whereas the other online banks in Canada that do offer ATM withdrawals, that actually increases their operational costs ever so slightly. So what exactly did EQ Bank offer in the past? In the past, EQ Bank only offered a high interest savings account. By specializing in only one product and having a very low overhead cost, EQ Bank actually offers if not one of the highest interest rates in their high interest savings account. Sounds good, right? However, the money you make off the high interest savings account will be taxed. So as a result, the money you make off the high interest savings account might not be as sweet, since this is basically their biggest disadvantage over their competitors over the years. However, EQ Bank recently started to offer TFSA and RRSP, which is a huge bonus into their product line. In fact, for their new TFSA and RRSP account, they're offering you a 2.3% interest rate, and if you buy their 3-month GIC, they're offering you a 2.5% interest rate. And if you're asking for what GICs are, they stand for Guaranteed Investment Certificates. In the future, I will create a video that goes more into details about GICs as well as other types of investments. Now, do I think that EQ Bank can offer its customers a 2.5% return on investment long term? No, I don't. With the competitors offering in the range of 1 to 1.5% interest rate, a 2.5% interest rate just isn't a reality, and I expect that the interest rate will drop down to about 1.5%, which is about what their high interest savings account is currently at. With EQ Bank now offering both TFSA as well as RRSP, I have no doubt that EQ Bank is now one of the top choices in Canada. Not only do they offer one of the highest interest rates in Canada, but their interface is known to be very user-friendly. In addition, they offer free e-transfers. Also, the money that you put into their bank is CDIC insured up to $100,000, which can give you a peace of mind. On the other hand, EQ Bank really isn't as flexible as the other banks out there since you can't withdraw money out of the ATM. However, that's the reason why I suggest opening up different banks and different accounts for different reasons. Different banks has different strengths and weaknesses, and I really don't see EQ Bank's lack of a debit card as well as a checking account as a big negative. So if you're looking to invest money that is 100% safe and provides one of the highest interest rates in Canada, look no further. The addition of TFSA as well as RRSP is just an icing on the cake for EQ Bank. So, overall, I highly recommend you to check out EQ Bank for safe investments. And if you're interested, please click the referral code down below in the description box when you open up your first EQ Bank account for a free $20. Also, please remember to leave a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future about financial investing, financial planning, as well as job search. Thank you for watching my video, guys. This is Eric, and I'll see you next time.